Meal plans that help reduce fat. Are you trying to lose weight but don't understand why you are gaining weight so easily? Maybe it is because of what you eat. If that was the case, you will need a meal plan, which we can assist you with as we proceed through this video. But first, please like the video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Meal planning can be a helpful tool when trying to lose weight. When done correctly, it can help you create the necessary calorie deficit for weight loss, while also providing your body with the nutrients it needs to function and stay healthy. Meal planning can also help to simplify and save time during the meal preparation process. This video will furthermore discuss the most important aspects of weight loss meal planning, as well as additional tips to help you reach your goals. You may be tempted to cut calories if you are trying to lose weight, but doing so can jeopardize your health. According to research, a diet of fewer than 1,000 calories per day generally fails to provide your body with the balanced nutrition it requires, and it can eventually lead to vitamin and mineral deficiencies associated with serious health issues. Furthermore, eating far fewer calories than you need forces your body to use its own muscle and organ tissues as fuel. As your lean tissue mass decreases, your metabolic rate slows, which is not ideal for weight loss. Instead of limiting your caloric intake, Jamie Fate, a registered dietitian nutritionist and the founder of Jamie Fate Nutrition in White Plains, New York, suggests focusing on feeding your body healthier foods. The following foods, according to experts, are the best to support a healthy and sustainable weight loss plan. Best meal plan to lose fat faster. The most basic principle of losing weight is simple. You must burn more calories than you consume, resulting in a caloric deficit. While that principle is the foundation for losing weight, it does not take into action the type of calories you consume, as some may be more difficult to lose than others, and some may help build muscle, which is what you want to lose fat from. To increase your chances of muscle gain and fat loss, you must understand when and how to enter a caloric deficit, balance, and surplus. The second most important factor in self-transformation is consuming the proper macronutrients to support your body and your goals. The proper ratio of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats depends on your goal, age, gender, height, weight, and training style. The role food plays in weight loss. According to Matthew Olesiak, Doctor of Medicine, Chief Medical Director of Bellevue, Washington-based health technology company Sane Solution, weight control is primarily a hormonal response to certain foods. Hormones send signals to the brain that influence our cravings, hunger, and body weight. Doctor explains, here's how different foods influence your hunger hormones. Protein quickly fills you up and keeps you full for a long time. According to Dr. Olesiak, it also reduces post-meal secretions of the hunger hormone ghrelin, which reduces feelings of hunger. Protein also takes more energy to digest and increases lean muscle mass, both of which help boost metabolism, he explains. According to Dr. Olesiak, dietary fiber slows digestion and ensures a gradual rise in blood glucose levels, which results in a slower release of the fat storage hormone insulin. As fiber moves through the digestive system, various satiety hormones like ghrelin are released, sending signals to the brain to reduce hunger and regulate food intake, he explains. This means you will feel fuller for longer, which can help prevent overeating. and, of course, lower your overall caloric intake. According to Cara Landau, a registered dietitian, gut health expert, and founder of Brooklyn snack brand Uplift Food, prebiotic soluble fiber also feeds the beneficial bacteria living in your large intestine, which improves gut health, she continues. According to Dr. Alicia, ultra-processed foods are low in nutrients and fiber. They digest quickly. As a result, eating them, think potato chips, candy bars, and toaster pastries, causes a rapid rise in blood glucose levels, which triggers a significant release of insulin, he says. He explains that because insulin must quickly clear glucose from your bloodstream, the majority of those calories are sent to your fat cells. Ideally, the next time you need energy, you will draw on these stored calories. However, eating a steady supply of ultra-processed foods means you will always be making deposits to your fat cells, never withdrawals, Dr. Alicia explains. Although water is not a food, it is essential for healthy weight loss. Stay hydrated because all of our body processes need water to function. Metabolism is one of these processes, according to Jamie Faith. Pick a meal planning method that fits your routine. Meal planning can be done in a variety of ways. So, pick the one that works best for you. Over the weekend, batch cook all of your meals so that you can easily grab individual portions throughout the week. If you prefer to cook every day, prepping all of your ingredients ahead of time may be your best option. If you dislike following recipes or prefer more flexibility, you could opt for a method that requires you to stock your refrigerator and pantry with specific portions of food each week, while also allowing you to improvise when putting them together for meals. Batch grocery shopping is another excellent way to save time while stocking your refrigerator and pantry with nutritious foods. The bottom line: meal planning is a great way to eat healthier while also saving time and money. Many foods are delicious, nutritious, and beneficial to your weight loss or maintenance efforts. Whole foods such as fish, lean meat, vegetables, fruit, nuts, seeds, and legumes are the most common. Probiotic yogurt and oatmeal are two examples of minimally processed foods to consider. Consuming these nutritious foods in conjunction with moderation and regular exercise should help pave the way to a healthy lifestyle. Though it may appear overwhelming at first, there are several strategies you can use to develop a sustainable meal planning habit that works for your specific lifestyle in order to lose weight. We hope that this video will assist you in losing fat, maintaining your desired weight, and staying fit. If you like it, don't forget to like this video and share your thoughts about your meal planning experiences and personal tips with others down in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future amazing content like these. Thank you for watching, and we're so excited to see you on our next video.